Delivering public services effectively, whether we're thinking about health, education, enforcement of contracts, these are crucial for development. But they rely critically on the motivation and the skills of the people who are delivering them. These agents are the nurses, the doctors, the community health workers, the teachers, the principals, the tax collectors. We need to be thinking on two margins. One is, how do we make people, once they're on the job, as effective as possible? The second crucial aspect is who selects into this job, who are the types of people, and focusing on the recruitment strategies and the selection into the job. There's been some path-breaking work in India providing performance-based pay for teachers that has improved absenteeism, examination scores, and student learning overall. Unfortunately, the rest of the evidence around performance-based pay can be quite mixed. Frankly, it comes down to how well one can design it, because there are many dimensions of effort that public service agents have to pay attention to. The issues of monitoring and incentive design that are so difficult in the public sector can in some sense be much, much less important when we choose the right people. But then the question is, how do we choose the right people? One interesting path is how people self-select, finding the people that can themselves see whether they're going to be effective at that job. When we were working with the Ministry of Health, with the government of Zambia, in trying to think about how they were going to recruit a new cadre of proto-nurses, what we did was use an advert that is traditionally used to recruit people in communities by focusing on their impact on the community. Another which focused on the ability to aspire to career opportunity and career ladder within the civil service. In other situations, it may well be that the opportunity to create social impact might be much more important and scarcer. In Zambia, we did not find a trade-off in these. We found individuals who dearly wanted to make an impact in their community, but also wanted to have an opportunity to advance themselves. They found themselves drawn to this poster, and they created a huge health impact in their communities. We're able to find now with this new work how critical it is to get the right people in the first place. Often pay-per performance at best can have a 20% increase in productivity. What we see in the study in Zambia is that there's a 30% increase in productivity just by getting the right people in.